Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the refresh rate on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or a tablet computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select the system tile. And then underneath System, select Display on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select underneath Multiple Displays where it says Advanced Display Settings. Go ahead and select that. And then at this point, there should be an item if you scroll down further underneath Refresh Rate. Choose a refresh rate for your display. A higher rate provides smoother motion but also uses more power. Click the drop down here. And then assuming your monitor supports different refresh rates, you can make your selection choice. Please note not all monitors will have various refresh rate options, so you might be fixed with only one option there. So just please keep that in mind and refer to your manual that came along with your monitor. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.